But I'm speaking also for the police officers. What about their rights? Who have been treated as not just servants, but almost slaves. We don't forget the food that they used to get, the soldiers and the police. With millions of dollars being spent on porta potty. Why these things will not remain in the country? That millions of dollars was spent on the rental of porta potty for an activity that they expected to last for years. And should I buy the porta potty? We need to find out who rented those porta potties. We're going to come further again. They promised the police SOE pay and ZOSO pay. To this day, none of them have gotten SOE pay and ZOSO pay. Them tell me if you come today to talk against that. Their rights. Talk about that. Because what happens, Senator Brown, is that them get 10 hours per week for overtime pay, when some of them are being asked to work 30 hours more. Because with all the state of emergency, no additional resources or not sufficient additional resources are being sent to man these states of emergency. Knowing that the state of emergency is the intent of the government, it has not been a part of the discussions for the pay of the police moving forward. The Minister of Finance ignored that part of the crime plan and have not put in that conversation. That with what we expect of you, your pay should be different and increased. Why should we not speak to the police officers? Mr. President, I call upon the groups asking for the extension of the state of emergency to do a study on the degree retention in the security force. My information is less than 10% of people who go in with a degree stay in that police force because they're feeling that they're being abused by the requests and requirements that are being made of them. You're doing everything for the police force, and you're not doing that.
Jamaican people want better.